Thank you to all Ariana Grande stans for all the death threats, because you're just fueling me to Photoshop more pictures and just to piss you off even more. So, like, I've never had so many people who act and claim woke tell me that they wanted me to die and that I deserve to have cancer. Like, what? Like, it's literally just a picture. Like, calm down. Somebody was like, why is he this good at Photoshop? And somebody was like, because he's a beauty guru. No, that's facts. It's literally because I've hated myself since I was 12 and thought I was ugly and just Photoshopped everything. Okay, so I got canceled on Twitter. Today has been a day. I've been canceled on Twitter. My tweet, the tweet has 150,000 likes of them dragging me. My phone number got leaked. My address got leaked. I've gotten about 40 million death threats from 12-year-old Ariana Grande fans saying to kill myself and get cancer because I photoshopped a picture of myself with her. No, this is not an apology video, but what this is a tutorial because I'm a beauty guru and like that's how we deal with things. Okay, so basically I started this thing like a while ago where I would like I photoshopped myself with a picture of Billy. Like, honestly, out of pure irony. Like, I was just like, this is so funny. Like, I just thought it was so funny. Cause like the whole ideology of people like wanting to meet celebrities is literally just to get an Instagram picture with them. And I was like, why spend $1,000 in a meet and greet picture when I can just Photoshop myself with them? Like, that's the whole point, right? So I did it and then it worked and I got like 60,000 likes, like as you can see, and everyone thought it was real and it was just funny as fuck. Like there's no harm in it, like it's just funny, right? So I was like, who do I do next? And then I was like, Ariana Grande and Ariana Granola. And everyone got really mad, like really mad, like really mad. So here is the picture right here. Like it looks pretty real. So basically I posted on Instagram and then I'm gonna read you the caption. I've made so many memories this year and 2020 just started. Ariana Grande is the last person I thought I'd do makeup for, and to say we've hung out 3 times alone this year is just mind-blowing emoji. Like that's so fucking funny. Like that's so funny. Like I didn't fucking meet her. And then I tweeted it with like a different caption and I just like, I knew the minute I tweeted it, it was gonna go viral because Ariana Grande is such like a Twitter troll. Like I just knew, like I knew it would. And so I tweeted it and the tweet now has 122,000 likes. Yeah. It blew up. Basically, someone just posted, as you can see, they just posted a picture of what is going on. It was the picture of me and Ariana from Instagram, and then a swipe over of the tweet, and then the original one. So here's the original picture, and then here's mine. And so with this came hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of death threats of Ariana Grande fans who are on their couch making fun of me because they don't have a job, bullying me because I'm a horrible person for I don't know what, but I'm gonna read you a few of my DMs. This one is from Emmy. She says, you should fucking kill yourself. The fact that you would lie about a thing with Ariana Grande is disgusting. Get a job. And then Xander said, you're gross. And someone said, it's shit Photoshop, you're fucking ugly. You're just mad you got caught. You're so gross. So basically everyone just kept saying I was ugly and gross, which like, whatever, I don't really care. And so, yeah, I wanted to give like a tutorial on how I Photoshop these pictures because that's like funny. Like, I don't know, like, a lot of people were curious and a lot of people believed it, so let's go. Like, let's do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna screen record on my phone. I hope I can edit this together well, and if I can't, I'm just gonna cry because this is really hard. So basically, how I did it was I just Googled Ariana Grande fan pictures, and basically, I pulled up a plethora of different ones. I had this one, this one, this one, and then this one. And the last one was the one that I thought worked the best, mainly because of the angle and knowing how I could change the lighting and stuff and etc. So basically that was the last picture, and you saw he had his fingers up like this. So what I did was I just went and did my makeup, and then I just took a picture in my room with the same similar pose. All I did was I used iPhone front flash on Snapchat with a kind of lit room. So did that, and then let me pull it up in Pixar. I will actually show you the whole process. Okay, so grabbing the original photo, I'm using the app Pixar, and then I'm gonna add a photo. And if there are nudes in my camera roll, I'm honestly sorry. So adding that photo, and then I added it. So I hit the cutout option, and then I hit the face option, where it's like it cuts you out. And then I got the eraser, and then I basically just detailed erased all around me, took all of that area out. And then like just made sure to go around my face at like a pretty good, like I just made sure I was like really precise with it. And then got smaller and went up there. I cut out my earring because it was dangly and it like got in the way. So now it's pretty much good. I think I'm gonna, yeah, okay. So that's pretty much good. Okay, so now I'm gonna insert the photo. Basically, I just tilted it a little bit so it matched. And then, okay, so that's pretty similar. And then all I did was hit the erase option, and then I went over her finger, and then I kind of went down to see where her shoulder was. And then as you can see, there's like a black area where she kind of disappears. And then I just kind of went over her shoulder and cut out all of me that interrupted with her body. I'm gonna turn the hardness down so it kind of like smudges it when it does it, so it's less hard lines. And then just following the shape of her ear. And then also going over the outside of my hairline to make it more smooth. And then over that area. And then kind of just like following, making that sharper, going over my face. Okay. And then a little bit more right there. Okay, so now that the cutout part is done, that's pretty much a good job. Basically what I did was I went to the adjust button, I turned the brightness on me up a little to match her, and then I turned the hue to more of a pinkish hue because that's her skin tone, and then turn the saturation down just a teeny bit because her saturation was kind of messed up. And then contrast, turn up a little, ooh, no, turn up to like 9%, and then turn shadows down to -31, and then turn highlights up to like 12, and then temperature, more yellow or blue, so like -7. Yeah, that's pretty much all I need to do on PixArt. So now that I'm inserted in the photo, basically what I'm gonna do is save the image and then bring it over to Facetune. Ignore the literal nude in that picture. I don't even care. I used to care about that shit so much, but like now I don't. Okay, so now we need to make my arm and next to her arm a little bit more real. So grab the paint option, use the sticker, go over her to like pick like the skin tone that's near her more, and then hit paint, go over to that, and because she's more of a gray tone, I need to go into more of a gray tone to build that shadow. And then I'm just gonna place it really shittily, like right there. Like just literally like no fucks given, just placing it shitty. And then go over with the eraser. That's the main one, and then, oh, and then her ear, grab like a brown, and then kind of go over her ear a bit, but like turn it down just so it's like just a little bit, and then grab the thingy. Okay, so now I need to edit the lighting, so turn brightness up, but then get the eraser, and go over where like the nighttime sky was, because that kind of lightens the pixels and makes it look more grayish, and you don't want that. And then I'm gonna go over her below area, like kind of like below her neck, because that needs to be darker, as well as mine. Kind of cutting that all out, and then turning the brightness down, like using that eraser option over my jacket. So basically it's just us being lightened up. And then turn color up a little bit on us, and then go over to light, turn light up just a little bit, turn shadows up just a little bit, grab the eraser again, because I'm noticing my hairlines are going to get more yellow, and literally just erase that off. And then highlight up. I think that's good. I'm gonna turn it a little bit back up over here. Okay. I think that's good. Now I'm just using the smoothing tool and kind of just going over her area right there so it looks more natural. And then using the texture tool and going over it again. And then, yeah. Grab the paint tool again, get this point where I can like pick out the color, grab a gray toned orange kinda, use paint, and then go over the fucking orange jacket. But as you can see, it's like really hard to like get the right opacity on the So I'm gonna have to turn that down and then use the eraser and smooth it out. This is actually so hard. I like kind of forgot how hard it was. And then I'm gonna darken the color, bring it more of a gray though, and then use that deep in there in the crevice. And then use it up here a little bit too. Yeah, so this is before Facetune and this is after. In a way, there's certain aspects of it that make it more fake, but if you look into the details, it makes it look a little bit realer, as well as when you post it on Instagram, the color was kind of too dull and it wouldn't have gotten as many likes if I would have posted it without like the brightness turned up. And also it wouldn't have gotten the attention it did on Twitter, which is kind of the whole point. And so here's the original versus mine. And like, when you compare them, they look like different for sure, like you can tell. But like, if I wouldn't have tweeted it and that kid wouldn't have posted his, people probably wouldn't have known. Like when I first posted on Instagram, people didn't really know. And so, yeah, I mean, that's how you Photoshop a picture with a celebrity. I literally knew this would blow up. Like, why am I had the mind of like a mastermind. Like what? Like, no. But yeah, no, like the whole point of this was just to like show you like, it's not that serious. Like chill, like it's really not. Like, I literally was out here getting death threats. Someone leaked my phone number because I photoshopped a picture with Ariana Grande. Someone leaked my phone number and then sent me my own address and said they were gonna kill me. Like they were actually gonna come and kill me for photoshopping a picture with Ariana Grande. Like I've never had so many people who act and claim woke tell me that they wanted me to die and that I deserve to have cancer. Like, what? Like it's literally just a picture. Like calm down. And to the kid whose picture I stole, like, sorry, he was on Twitter acting like I literally like hate crimed him, and I didn't even know it was his. I just literally went on Google and typed in like fan pictures with Ariana Grande. Like, let me show you. Ariana Grande fan selfies 2019. If you hit images, he's like one of the ones on there. Yeah, right here. He's like one of the first ones on here if you just type it in. So I was just like, I didn't even think anything about it, so I don't know why he's so pressed or mad. Like, I get it, but I also just like Googled it and thought it was funny. Like, calm down guys, like it's really not that serious. The person who said like, somebody was like, why is he this good at Photoshop? And somebody was like, cause he's a beauty guru. No, that's facts. It's literally because I've hated myself since I was 12 and thought I was ugly and just Photoshopped everything. My deep self-hatred of my face is what led me to Photoshop a picture with Ariana Grande. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it taught you something on how to Photoshop stuff. Yeah, it really didn't take that long. It literally was like a 30-minute thing. Like I didn't think anything of it when I posted it. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's Ethanisupreme. Although I may be an annoying ass bitch who Photoshopped a picture with Ariana Grande, I actually do have some talent. Here are some of my looks. I am nice. I know I may seem like a bitch on Twitter, but I am nice. This wasn't really meant to harm anyone. I hope y'all are all calming down, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram, be sure to subscribe to me down below. Yeah, and comment more video ideas. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I just thought this was the perfect opportunity to post a video. And yeah, and thank you to all Ariana Grande stans for all the death threats, because you're just fueling me to Photoshop more pictures and just to piss you off even more. So